let's click down here to Amaya, and yeah, you will see she's made a little bit of a mess, and she's up there. Are we sharing? She always gets a piece of the crust. Don't you, Sonny? Now, I don't know. She says, I want the whole pie. I just don't want that little bit of crust. I can see what you're doing. So guys, yes, Sonny. And for all of you that are not into birds, aren't interested in birds, well, this is kind of a part of my life and what I do, and showing just how far Sonny has come. So, you know, I'm going to show a little bit of my dog, who I've never really formally introduced to everybody as such. A little bit of Sonny, a little bit of Lily, a little bit of Amaya. So a bit of a mishmash today, but I hope that you will enjoy it either way. So let's get on with the video. She'll eat every one of those crumbs. Loves her little treats. Don't know if it's good for her, but she seems fine. So I don't know. She's got most of herself down here on this focus, on this bigger hide, which I put in for her last night, because the other one was a little bit too small and she was kind of bulging out underneath it and out from the sides, and I'm thinking to myself, oh sweetie, you need a bigger hide. She does have a smaller one of these down the other end that she seems to be fine in. So first of all, I'm going to get her water out, if I can even lift it with my hands, fingers, which are not good. Hey, you? Can I please clean up the mess that you've made for me? I don't want to disturb you too much, because you're kind of laying. Can you lift yourself out for me? That's it. Keep going. Keep going. All that. I need all your booty out. I know I'm disturbing you. There's a bright light, but you don't want to be laying in your mess, do you? Hey, I don't really think that you would want to. So keep going. Keep going, sweetie. That's a girl. All the way. Oh. No, don't stop. I've only got one hand. How difficult is it to film and hold a camera and move stuff? And it's impossible. And yeah, she'll just hang out pretty much there. And let's hope I don't pull this camera over too much, of course, or that she doesn't decide to take a run for it. And she's generally, I see you looking at me. I can see you looking at me. She's like, what are you doing? But I'm not going to bore you as I grab you out. Well, grab the camera out, but it's kind of like grabbing you guys out too. I'm not going to bore you with all of the cleaning part of it. Hello. Hello, sweetie. You know, I'm just cleaning. And I think that's all I've got to clean up so far today. I did a Pani, Ishi, Maya yesterday. So they're all nice and clean. So guys, I'll just sign out for now, because this is the boring bit. Maybe I'll get back with a little bit more of Amaya. Hey Jed. Yes, people have seen you in the videos, have they not? And people make comment about you and say, we see your big dog in there. Jed is about 6 years old now, and Jed is a Labradoodle. So he's quite a big boy, of course, although can I go back here? Oh, and he says I'm going. Like, my goodness, as I've leant on, I'm so good at leaning on buttons and getting things, the computer going again. I'm chasing, no, I'm not chasing you. I'm doing a little video. Jed, don't run away from Mum. I'm doing a video, buddy. You just, when are you ever in trouble with Mum? Never. So why would you be taking off on me? Sunny, hey? Please, Baba. Please. Do a little bit with the birds, because people have been asking about them as well. They're all doing really, really good. You know, getting them to come out and play on this play gym that I have for them. Zazu, I don't know, tends to get a little bit worse as he gets more used to me, in terms of I'll kill you if you touch me thing. So, but Sunny, no, she's completely different. She has become more and more used to me and seeks my attention, don't you? Did you want pets? So that's Jed, and Molly has pretty much disappeared under my bed. Hates being clipped, hates being away from me, hates being out of the home, full stop. And she knows when I'm going to take her to have a clip, because she starts shivering and whines all the way there and carries on, and she's always been the same. So just a little bit different start to the video today. And Lily is out up there somewhere, spread out, sleeping. Well, as you can see, here's Sunny, and oh boy, she's just come such a long way in such a short period of time. But she's naughty, and I've actually got to stop her from being so naughty and chewing and biting. She's already taken my escape key off my keyboard and broken it, basically. But what I've done is I've actually moved Sunny over here into a new cage, and it's a much bigger one for her, because I wanted her to be closer to me, where she could see me, she could hear me. And now, and I've also bought the climber out over here and just put it up against her cage so she can climb out on, and then I bring it on over here Whereupon she climbs down and then she comes on over to me. I see you. You're just mischievous, aren't you? Getting into trouble. That's all you're doing. And yes, I have Lily out. Fortunately, Sunny has not flown a lot, so she doesn't really fly. She can to a certain degree, but I will keep my eye on her and make sure that she doesn't ever get too close to any of the snakes. Hey, you looking at the camera thinking, can I chew that to bits too? Well, you're not going to. Okay? You're just not going to. So between demanding snakes, which I love, and now I have a demanding bird. Yep, which I also love. But I can see I'm going to have to keep my eye on her more than I do my snakes. So, just an update, just what a week, another week difference you can make just by chatting to them, being around them. You gonna have a nap? Oh, I don't mind if you fall asleep. So this is a new, well, it's not new, she's been doing it for a little while now, but Sunny knows my cup of tea is there, and she immediately heads over to it and has herself a nice little cup of tea. Don't you? Like, I don't know how good a cup of tea is for her, but she seems to really like it. So, are you right? Don't be drinking too much. Hey? At least it's not too hot. It's been sitting there for a while. My goodness. So, she's become very familiar with here in this room. I have Lily sitting up there in the hangout spot. Yesterday, well, I did a video yesterday where I explained I put a heat lamp up there, and Lily, because it was freezing, it's a little bit warmer today, and she ended up spending most of the day right up top there, so I know she was nice and warm. Today that lamp is actually clicked off and then, you know, come back on again, so it's, like I said, a little bit warmer. I have Amaya to feed today. I also have Ishi to feed today. They're the only two. But apart from that, it is again Sunday here for me, which is my day just to chill out and spend time with my snakes in one way or another. I know I have to clean out Car's little enclosure today for him, but I've made a few little changes in the room here. I am desperately needing to make more space, and how I fit as much in this room I do not know, but I managed to. Basically, I have bought in a smaller couch. Before, the couch took up this whole space along here. I've moved Jessie's enclosure down a little bit, and Tessa's will be moving down a little bit. Jessie's can come a little bit more forward, but he is in the dark, but he is up there under his heat. Like I said, I have to clean out Car's little enclosure today. Tessa's going to be coming out, and as you can see, though it is dark, Maya is also looking at wanting to come out for a little while today, but she hasn't eaten the last couple of feeds I've offered her, but she has had a feed of about 3 weeks ago. Apani is kind of back on his I'm not going to eat at the moment again, though he has had a meal a few weeks ago, but he is, well, even though it's blurred, he is down over there, and as you can see, me and my pet in my dressing gown, because like I said, it is a bit chilly. Amaya is waiting for her meal today. So that's pretty much all that is going on. I am, mentioned I'm looking at getting stackables enclosures, which will ultimately go up against this wall here. There will be 2 stacks. I may be able to fit them where these enclosures are, or one of them, and the other go up against this wall. They're going to be quite big. They will be 6 foot long, so I've got to figure out spacing, and I want to keep all my snakes over here in this particular room with me, because this is where I spend most of my time, and where of course they will. And don't you go biting any of those things, okay? No biting of those things, alright? If I could get her to step up on me, it would be fabulous, but I can't, because she will still. You can chew this if you want to, hey? I have to keep my eye on her because she can bite right through leads. She's a shocker for doing that. No. So, anyway, just a quick update. Sunday, easy breezy, chill out day, and keep my eye on this mischievous little parrot that she is. She, of course, is lots of fun at the same time. I wanted to flick this on. I'm getting ready to actually go to bed, and Lily actually hasn't made her way all the way up to the top tonight. She settled down on that middle section, but I wanted to show you just how well Lily works with me to go home. I'm trying to set this up so you'll get a fairly good idea of just how much Lily knows the routine, as much about coming out and how she gets to where she wants to go, and as much as she knows when it's time to go home, what I'm asking of her. And it's never hard to get Lily to go home. So excuse me for looking a wreck. It's getting late. I've had a pretty tough day today. I'm not feeling 100%. So but anyway, it's about Lily, not me, and what an amazing girl she is. And another point to make, they learn. They very much learn from us. So, here we go. Because I open a door up. First, if I can open the door up, I can't do it one-handed. Do you hear the door, Lil? Hey, can you hear Mum opening the door? Let's go, sweetie. I don't even really have to get up on my knees, on my feet. I'm on my knees to get Lily right now. And hopefully I won't have to stand up, because she'll just make her way down. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. It's time to go home, sweetie. And I always do this. I always let Lily know it's time to be looking at coming home. Hope I've got the camera where you'll kind of be able to see her. I haven't got the flip screen up. Maybe I should do that so I can kind of see what you guys might be looking at. If I can get it to go up, because yeah. Okay, now I know you can see at least. So, come on, sweet. Coming home with Mum? Yeah, you can see. As you can see, yeah, she's not trying to back away. She's not trying to move away from me, because she knows what's happening right now. Always does. Don't you, Lil? Ready? Ready, sweetie pie? Let Mum stand up a little bit, hey? You ready, darling? Come on. Let's go. Well, I like her to, of course, be not so twisted, because she's quite twisted, but she'll untwist. Come in, darling. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, darling. Good girl. Are you going to hang on with your tail? You're going to hang on to your tail tonight, with your tail tonight. She's like, well, come on, Mum. Can you put me down? So I'll try and, I've kind of got her hooked around my arm right now. But what I do, and I'll spin you around. Hopefully I can bring you down with me at this particular point. And you will see. I don't think you will. I've just got to get her moving over here first, and then I'll bring you down so you can see. I don't know if I can get you down here or if you'll be able to see her. I'm not really 100% sure. It's pretty hard. It's harder than I thought it would actually be at this particular point, because I've got this on the bigger actual tripod right now. Whoop. Now this is the one thing I have to do for Lil. So I have to wait for that tail to let go, because she likes me to have a hold of her tail. She's pretty much just going to slowly but surely, she just slowly but surely makes her way back into a home. So as you can see, there's some very, very little fight from Lil when it's time to actually go home. And excuse the terrible, terrible holding of the camera with her. It's just the best I could do. But you get an idea of just how well behaved my girl is. That's what I love about Lily. She just knows. She knows what to do and how to do it. Ciao.